welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Tonight is another keto meal, and this one is pretty much out of my pantry other than one fresh zucchini. And what I have is I'm going to use my canned family spaghetti sauce, which has ground beef in it. And I have a video up there, so if you're interested in that, how to make it and how to can it, there it is. Then we're gonna add, I made batches of these meatballs that are stuffed with mozzarella cheese. So we're gonna have that heated in the sauce, but we're keto, so we can't have pasta, and I love pasta. So we're gonna try something new tonight. I have never made this before, but we're gonna give it a try. So I have a zucchini here that I've already peeled, and we're gonna make some zoodles, I hope. This is the little multi-chopper that I got, and I can leave a link to that, but this one chops, it does all kinds of different things, but one of the things it does is spiralizes. And I've never used the spiralizer before, so as you can see, it's working. So I'm just gonna get this all noodled out, and then we're going to make zoodles with spaghetti sauce and stuffed meatballs. So let me finish getting this done and then we'll come back. This is so easy, it really is. So I've got about half of that jar of spaghetti sauce heating up. As soon as it gets heated, then I'm gonna add the meatballs because they are fully cooked. They just need to be reheated in the sauce. And this just took, maybe 3 minutes to spiralize this. There's my zoodles. And this is the first time I'd used the spiralizer, and it really worked pretty easily and pretty well. I've looked at them that attach to your KitchenAid and all that kind of stuff, but I didn't really want another full-blown appliance. This thing does a lot of different tasks, so that's what I love about it. And that's all that was left of that zucchini. This is not going to be wasted. I'm throwing this in my scrap bag for making stock in the freezer, so this will just add nutrition and flavor to my bone broth. But this worked really pretty well. So now I'm going to wait until these are almost ready, the sauce and the meatballs, and then we're going to cook up the zoodles. I've got my pan starting to heat up slightly. And I've already got my meatballs over here in the sauce. So they're getting warmed up while we do this. And you can use butter, you can use coconut oil, but since I'm making an Italian style dish, I figure olive oil is really the best choice. You can also boil these, you can cook them different ways, but I figure for what I'm doing, I want to make it as much like pasta as I can. And I'm afraid boiling them, they might get too soft. So we're just gonna saute them. Put a little bit of pink salt, not a whole lot. Now we don't want to overcook these. We just want to lightly cook them, just so that they're not raw, but at the same time they still have some texture left. We don't want to make them mushy. I think that's a technical term. Now they're just starting to change color and get kind of greenish tinge to the whole thing. I'm going to turn off the heat because I just want them barely cooked. And that's what they are. They still, you can see they still have texture to them. They're not falling apart. There's our zoodles. All right, here's our cooked zoodles. And now I'm gonna add the meatballs and sauce. We're gonna put some mozzarella cheese on top. And this is full fat mozzarella because keto, that's what you want. I know it's crazy backwards. We've always been taught low fat. Nope, not with keto. Here's some grated Parmesan. Now I'm going to heat this up just a little bit to melt the cheese, and then we'll come back and we're going to give it a taste. All right, there it is. It's steaming hot. The cheese is mostly melted, but it's going to continue to melt a little bit. And it smells wonderful. The question is, what about the zoodles? So let's give this a try. Let's see if they wind up like pasta. Well, they kind of do. Brian's over there grinning and not knowing what this is going to be like. Then again, I don't either. All right, here's the zoodles. They taste good, but I have to say, they're not like pasta. They're very different. They have a little bit of a crunch, but they taste good. And I will tell you, anything tastes better with the family spaghetti sauce on it. Might be a little bit partial to that. If I can get the cheese wrapped around it. And of course, the meatballs are good. These were batch cooked, so I just had them in the freezer to pull out. The sauce is always amazing. Is it pasta? No. But we can eat this, at least for now. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, because I sure did. Give me a thumbs up if you would, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and God bless.